Hello guys, it's Epic Dre here and welcome once more to another tutorial video. So we are going to be tackling this maximum upload file size most people face when uploading their files to WordPress, or especially when using all-in-one WP migration plugin. As you can see here, my maximum upload file size is 512 megabytes. That's because I actually increased it. Most of you are going to see 2 megabytes the first time, or depending on what your hosting service allocates for you. So mine was 2 megabytes and I increased it to 512, and I'm going to show you how. First, you're going to log into your hosting provider, your hosting service provider. This is mine. I use Orange Host. Now when you get here, you locate your service plus your hosting package. This is mine. I was under my hosting, and now I can log into cPanel. Just wait for that to load. Okay, now we are in cPanel. So when you're here, what you're going to do is, in this search bar right here, you're going to type PHP. When you do that, what do you see? You see multi PHP.ini editor. This is our point of interest. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, you're going to select the location. That is your domain. This is my domain, epicdre.com. That's where you want to adjust these settings. Yeah, this is an easy way for you to increase or decrease your upload file size. You scroll down, you can see these are various configurations: file uploads, host max size, upload max file size. Look here, I have 600 megabytes, so this is where I'm going to change it. Upload max file size. You can have 2 megabyte, 30 megabyte. You change it to whatever you want. For example, I can just put here 1024 1024 M right here. But I want it to stay the way it was. So there you go. And these are other things you can change: post max size, memory limit, and all of this. Once you're done, you just come over here and you click on apply, and you can go back to your dashboard and it's going to change here. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.